Alright, you guys, so I got the Z06 back up and running today, and I just got to chase down a small water leak from my thermostat housing. So it's a little drip leak, so I'm gonna fix that. So the unfortunate part is that it's right underneath my supercharger, so I gotta pull that sucker back off just to be able to get to it. But you know, I'll deal with that, fix it, and just got to get it tuned, and it should be back on the road.